Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to We're in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, another place for Christmas Village ang pupuntahan natin.
Guys, this is the first time that RL Resort and Leisure is opening their gates for this kind of park para po sa taga Porac and of course for the rest of the Pampanga.
Yes, so if you want to know more about the place, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
We are excited to offer something for everyone. This event is not just about decorations and shopping. It's about creating memories and bringing our community together to experience the warmth, love, and joy that Christmas represents.
Again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Earlier, we had so much fun and then na-witness din natin yung program, the inauguration,
grand opening ng pinaka-Christmas Village ng Porac. Ang entrance fee dito, 50 pesos para sa mga bata and 100 for the adults.
Of course, meron po tayong mga Christmas attraction. You have your parang mga gifts. No, may mga section na parang you can have pictures na parang ikaw ang regalo.
Yes, tama. So, at the same time, kung kayo naman nagutom, available yung mga vendors natin doon.
So, bago kayo magpagutom, guys, meron po tayong mga inflatables dito. I think yung mga inflatables, fit siya for adults and kids.
Actually, napakalalaki ng mga, mga inflatables dito. Talaga, anyone can enjoy. So, they're starting from 50 pesos hanggang kung gusto naman yung unlimited,
it's
300 pesos.
Exactly. So, ayun guys, ikot pa tayo and of course, we want to show you more of the place. So there you have it guys, another place for you to check out dito po sa Pampanga. And again, congratulations sa mga taga Porac. And this is another place, kumbaga it's a gem that they would consider.
So if you're looking for a place na pwedeng puntahan ngayong Pasko, this is available dito sa may RL Resort and Leisure Christmas Village dito sa may Mancatian, Porac, Pampanga.
Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Merry Christmas guys. Bye.